Here I have Sony Xperia 10 Plus, and let me show you how to change date and time on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the settings, then scroll down and go to system. So it's almost the very last icon, and here you should open date and time. And here you can either have an automatic date and time, or you can switch it off just by tapping on this icon, and you can set date and time manually by yourself, so you can pick whichever date and time you want to. You can also use automatic time zone, or you can switch it off, so once it's active it's network provided time zone, and when you switch it off you can select time zone that you would like to have. So for example, select the region. As you can see, Sony has plenty of regions, I believe all of the possibilities, so whichever country you are from, you will be able to find it here. Let me pick, for example, Japan, and maybe not, because there is just one time zone there, maybe Australia, and then select the time zone, for example, Perth. And let's go back. And you can also change the format of your clock, so you can either have an automatic one, it's 24-hour format clock, or you can switch it off just by tapping on this switcher and use 12-hour format clock. So that's it. If you would like to go back to default settings, just switch all of these settings. And now we are back in automatic date and time, automatic time zone, and automatic 24-hour format clock. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.